Hi, I'm Courtney Luking. Bouncing around between school drop-off, work, errands, and everything else life has to offer makes grab-and-go food options really appealing. But the impact that my treasured cups of coffee and quick takeout have on my wallet and the environment are not. Let's ditch those disposables and instead start investing in reusables. Packing food and drink from home is budget-friendly and it reduces waste. To create a sustainable starter kit, I found and had to invest in some items that could be used and washed over and over again. The first thing in my kit is a lunchbox. The second is a freezer pack so that I can keep my food cool and safe until I'm ready to eat. I also found a variety of food containers. I like to throw easy items in there. What I'm showing you here today are carrots, apple, peanut butter on whole wheat bread, and popcorn. I also want to make sure that I have drink containers that can have hot or cold drinks. And finally, I need to make sure that I have utensils. This includes a straw and napkin. A starter kit like this helps me hydrate from home and easily refill throughout the day. I can also safely pack delicious meals and snacks that are ready anytime, anywhere, and ultimately ditch the disposables, all of which equal less trash and more cash.
Family Consumer Sciences at the University of Kentucky offers programming in the areas of nutrition, health, resource management, family development, and civic engagement. To learn more about our extension programming efforts, listen to our award-winning podcast, Talking Facts, visit us online, or follow us on social media through Instagram or Facebook. You can also reach out to your local county extension agent for Family and Consumer Sciences Extension. We build strong families, we build Kentucky. It starts with us.